There are two main families of squash, squashes and zucchinis. Zucchinis, which are generally stationary, and squashes, which are runners. These runner squashes need to be pruned. If you look at a runner squash, there is a main stem. It is on this stem that you will find the male flowers. We need female flowers, and to get female flowers, they naturally grow on the secondary medial branches, and to encourage these secondary branches, you cut off the tip. By cutting off the tip, you will encourage all these secondary branches, and you will get more female flowers and female flowers that appear earlier. If you let it grow, you will still get squashes. But of course, you will delay production, which is why it's beneficial to cut them. So the male flowers are there to fertilize the female flowers. Now that our squashes have been fertilized and you're starting to get a small crop, there's no need to have too many. You'll need to thin them out. And for that, you're going to cut them to leaves behind your squashes in order to help them grow larger. This technique works just as well for melons, watermelons, as we mentioned squashes, or even pumpkins.